Hi there, are you tired of your strumming sounding a bit samey? Then give this beginner's guitar lesson a try. Many beginner guitarists often find themselves strumming very simple rhythms just like this. Maybe not like that, more like this. So simple up, down strumming, or maybe even just the really basic down strumming all the time. However, you can improve this by doing this simple technique. So I'm playing the D chord, and in the D chord, basically we've got these 4 strings that we're playing, just the top 4, like so. Now something we can do to make your rhythm playing a little bit more interesting is by adding a bass note. And so on the D chord, what we're going to do is pick the open D string, the 4th string, on the first beat of the bar. And we're in 4/4 time here, so 4 beats in the bar. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just that little pick on the first beat changes things. Of course, with our strumming hand, we can also do other rhythms as well after the pick. So we could do something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even a simple down and up stroke make this a little bit more interesting with that pick on the first beat. To jazz this up a little bit more, we can now play 2 bass notes. So if we're in 4/4 time, on the first beat we'll hit the D, and on the third beat we'll hit the A, and then the second and 4th beat will be your standard strumming. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Super simple technique there to really liven up your strumming. If you're not busy right now, why don't you check out this lesson here. Thanks for watching. See you next time.